loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick little review as well as a tutorial on how I got this look right here with this unit. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so this unit is courtesy of SAMSBEAUTY. They were kind enough to send me another wig, but this wig is a full lace human hair wig. Now, I have tried a bunch of different wigs from SAMSBEAUTY. Some have been a little bit more affordable than others, but I got to try this new unit from their celebrity line, and so it's more pricey, but it's worth it. And so yeah, let's jump right into all the full deets of this wig. So this wig came in this package that you see right here, which says the celebrity. As usual, I'm going to show you guys a full unboxing as well as the full tutorial on how I did my own little customizations to this unit. But as far as the wig details, so I'm going to read what it says on the stock card just so you guys know exactly what this is. So it is from their celebrity line. It's 100% virgin REMI human hair lace wig. It is a full lace wig, which is my very first one, so I was super excited when I got it. It says it's the most realistic and natural looking. It's multi-direction parts. It's 100% hand tied, premium Swiss lace. It has live cuticle REMI hair. You can dye it, bleach it, and perm it. So it comes in the style Effortless Glam 24 inches, and it's in the color natural. So that is all the deets that's on the little stock card that it came with. My own personal opinions about the wig. So when I received the wig, I instantly loved it straight out the packaging. I love wigs, so if you give me a human hair wig, I'm gonna love it even more. I can cut it, dye it, press it, perm it, whatever you want to call it. Like, I love being able to do that. As you guys know, with synthetic wigs, you have to be definitely more gentle, and even with human hair blend, you can't do as much as you would as a human hair unit. And so I definitely wanted to test it out for you guys, so I bleached the knots. What I learned about bleaching the knots is, I don't know if it's because of the way that I did it, I put it on my wig head, which is what you guys will see, and I use a knife to spread the bleach on there. But I don't know if it was because it was on the wig head that it started to bleach the actual hair. So I didn't keep it on for as long as I normally do when I bleach other knots. But that was fine. I'm glad that to my eye, I noticed like, hey, it's about to start bleaching this hair. Let me wash it out. So you guys don't even notice it. So I'm super happy about that. So after I washed this hair, I let it dry with no product in it. It pretty much bounced back to its original pattern. I chose not to put any product in it because I just wanted to see how the hair would look by itself, and that's essentially what you see right here. The only thing that I sprayed in this hair is what is this? Some Hold and Shine styling spray after I was done curling the hair, which is what you guys will see, but I didn't put anything in this hair. As far as the texture, I absolutely love the texture. I love the feel of it. Like, it is super gorgeous, super soft, very natural looking. Like, I love this hair. So I did notice that it did come pre-plucked, which is a good thing, but if you guys know, with any kind of unit, you might want to have to pluck it to your liking, and so I didn't feel like it looked as natural as it could, so I definitely went in and plucked more hair, and that is what you guys see right here. But by itself, I think I do show you guys what it looks like straight out the packaging, so you guys can see it should you decide to purchase it. So I did decide to glue the wig down, so it is got to be glued down. As far as the cap construction, like, it doesn't feel snug on my head. I feel like I have room. It did come with adjustable straps, and so I just have the adjustable straps. I do have my wig grip on, which I still put that on just to give me added security. Sometimes I've learned that it causes an issue because it'll look like natural more so on the front, and then it'll change colors because of the wig grip. But sometimes I care about it, sometimes I don't. As long as it looks natural, I'm fine with it. It did come with baby hairs, I believe. Yeah, it did come with baby hairs, so I didn't even cut any baby hairs. I just slicked down the baby hairs that it came with. And so yeah, that was pretty much everything that I did to the hair. I did curl it before I left out. I went on a couples cruise, and so I was going to try to film before I went to the couples cruise, but that didn't happen. So I quickly threw in just some really basic curls and ran out of here. And so I came back, and so what you guys will see is me recurling the hair like to where I want it to be, which is this is the look that I was going for. So yeah, I now have been rocking this hair for a day. I've done everything that I could pretty much think about it. I've bleached the knots, I've washed it, I've curled it, I've taken this hair to the beach. So it has gone through a lot in just a short period of time, and look at the hair is still standing. It's still looking just as natural as it wants to look. And yeah, yeah, I'm so digging this. And so I know that this is not in the more affordable price range, but I definitely think that it's more convenient when it comes to not having to buy some bundles and making a whole unit. Like, it's definitely a time saver. And so would I use my own coins on it? I definitely would, because it's easy to just put on compared to having to get a frontal or closure, installing bundles, like going through all of that. So I hope that you guys like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking about it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
You're my sunshine in the brain when it's going. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, you're the best part. So nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when the heavens. You're the sunshine of my life. I just want to see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. One that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice.